guys, welcome back, welcome to the channel. Hey, today we are doing some Ebunuabuna. We are doing green soup, authentic contomirin kwai from Ghana. So I've got all my meat here. I'm using basically dry smoked turkey. One tip: if you buy the smoked turkey, can you smoke it again? Put it in the oven a little bit. And I've got all my super cool. This is not too salty like Kobe. And I've got ajuni here. And the main go is some enwa. I don't want to mention the English name. And I've got some crabs here. So come to the kitchen with me and let's cook some dinner. I've already washed these ones. So to say a very big thank you to my IC in Ghana. So to do your abunuabuna, you can use any meat of your choice. It's just me. Collins went to Ghana last time and he brought some dry meat, so that's what we're using today. But any meat of your choice will do. And I've got some smoked turkey here. Guys, one tip: if you buy your smoked turkey, just put it again in the oven, dry it a bit more, and it makes it taste very nice. My sister-in-law told me to do that, and I've been doing that since. It's nice and tasty. Since today I saved the rest for this soup. So thank you. I'm gonna see if I can crack this into two. I'm going to use 1 onga cube to season my meat. And if you're old in my channel, you know I love using this chiawaria. I always run out. Just using 2 spoons, so through. Just natural. So let's put some in here to season our meat. Then, so now I'm going to blend the tomatoes and the peppers to start my soup. Oopsie. I can't wait to eat my fufu. So I'm going to add in my turkey berries, konsusua, in here. Peppers, everything in there. So let's blend.
Talk to me nice, talk to me honestly. Look in my eyes, don't let it fall on me. Say you're a good guy, make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it, I wanna see it. See how rewind when we rewind. Feels so nice. We time, you I know how to make me feel right. I can't help how. Got this sweet talk, I'm already on my way. I'm pulling up, don't be late. I'm gliding through all the
Straight.
lanes. Sweet talk, you need to say let's convey. No need for no flowers, babe. I'm already on my way, on my way. Why you blushing? Yeah, sweet concussion. Oh, you miss my touching. Good girl. Show me something. Give me more than one thing. I need more than less than I do. Say you're a good guy. Make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it, I wanna see it. See how rewind when we rewind. It feels so nice. I can't.
So guys, now I am going to add in some mushrooms. You know, contour crime will not be nice without any mushrooms in it. And it will not go down well with some okra. So let's get it going and cover it for it to stick it in so it gets space. So I'm going to blend the onion I left in to add it. So what I've done is I've got ginger and garlic, and I'm going to add the onion to it just to make the taste goes to another level. Hey, so our soup is done. Look how beautiful it's looking. So from me and my family, bye.